Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see what happens to steel wool in a microwave. This is the finest steel wool that you can buy. It's grade 0000. So let's put it as is into the microwave. Shut the door, and let's just try it out for just say a minute. Okay, that was pretty cool. Now let's step it up a little more, and let's put in a piece of steel wool, same grade, but instead of having it folded up on itself, let's try to open it up. Let me get rid of this one. And let's put the unfolded one into the microwave. Clear it and set it for a minute. Pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.